clean the streets.
And the railway? All clean! Now we have to clean the tunnel. Can't reach. They're far in there. Oh no.
Activating my shrink ray from my satellite now.
Whoa! Yeah!
Woohoo!
Big fun in a tiny town!
Wow!
No! Loki, stop!
Daddy! Loki's ruining our miniature village! Hold on, everyone! It's time to choo-choo charge!
Into the dining room! Under the table! Huh? We're going to crash!
Oh, pull it back!
Loki saved us!
Time for a train tune-up!
I'm going to the museum! Let's go! Our next stop is the Danish Railway Museum.
Wow!
Huh? Oh no, there's a train heading straight for us! Jet speed! Ah! Yeah! I don't think the museum is this way. A dead end! We're out of time and out of track!
Let's lay down track and make up!
From dead end to no end in sight!
Larka, deploy Inflato track!
Inflato track deployed!
Whoa! Floating tracks! Now that's a first! It's Funen Island, where the museum is!
Train lovers, give a warm welcome to a new arrival! Making his museum debut!
Going up, locomotive!
Whoa, Guardians! Saving like a locomotive!
Giddy up! Let's go!
Ready to blow off some steam?
You betcha, buckaroo! All aboard!
Choo-choo!
It's this clickety coal I run on.
Shame you can't use that newfangled solar power.
Things are looking up!
With my Kiddo's Extra Cool Tool! Solar panel build action! Presenting the super solar powered clickety cane!
Yippee yee-haw!
Choo-choo!
Clickety crickets! It sure is fun to run on sun! Uh-oh! The high noon sun's too strong! I'm going faster!
going too fast. She's gonna jump the track. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
If I can't stop, we'll chuck right over Old Owl Overlook.
My toolkit's got tracks by the stack. Lasso action! Lasso action! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa, Super spin! Yeah!
Here I come! Hoorah!
Hi! They better get here soon.
Wait! Ah! Oh!
The tracks are broken. Things are looking up. Kit of extra cool tools. Wow! And 3, 2, 1, blast off!
I go up!
I can't finish the act without the family.
Come on! We are here! I arrive with zest!
Come on,
Hurry.
Flippy-Dobbs.
Come on! Come on!
The fabulous Flippy-Dobbs!
This is Prospect Mirror Station, boys. It's our stop. Let's go.
Okay, Grandma. Come on, Jet. Time to get off.
Huh?
Oh, right. We left it on the train. Oh, no!
Police patrol! We're on the case!
The train is on the brown line. Number 5. We'll have to switch tracks to catch it. Grandma! Home! Oh no, wait!
Jett!
It's train time. Hop in, Hootin. Good day, sir. Would you please stop? We left some very important bread in one of your cars.
Sorry, but I don't have the bread anymore. It's been taken to the Lost and Found at the Beacon station.
We are looking for a lost boy. Well, we've done a lot of train riding today. We ended up at Beacon Station.
I knew there was a lost and found there, and we found our lost bread.
But now we're too far from the hospital.
I told you I'd be here if you needed me, and here I am, as you can see. Team power, in for the win!
Here, subscribe to our channel.